Last year, when I moved from Unity to Godot to work on my new game, Management in Space, there were lots of differences that I had to work around. One of the biggest was game time, as I was used to using both scaled and unscaled time simultaneously. Since Godot doesn't have this, I made my own in C#. Firstly, I created a new static class called GameTime, which will store the passage of time and be globally accessible. Next, I added two long variables, real-time and time-scaled, and one double variable for scale. I used long, or integer 64, to track the game's milliseconds, so that way the game can run for 292 million years without ever overloading. Then, I wrote some quick conversion methods to turn seconds into either scaled or unscaled milliseconds. I then added an initialize method that sets our values to default, and an update method that accepts delta, or time passed, as a double. Inside this method, I convert the delta and increment the two time variables appropriately. I also made a set timescale method to safely set the timescale. No going backwards in time, thank you. And, to make sure this all runs properly, I created a node class called GameTimeAuto, which initializes GameTimeOnReady and updates GameTimeOnProcess. This node script needs to be added as a singleton, or auto run, so that it is always running in the background. Now, I can always check how much real-time or scale time has passed from anywhere in my game, which is useful for doing slow-mo and timescale controls. I also expanded this with custom timers and pause interrupts, so if you'd like a full tutorial, let me know.